Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Confluent Cloud using API keys. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Confluent Cloud using API keys, first, log into your Confluent Cloud account. Navigate to the API keys section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create API Key button. Select the environment you want to create the API key for. Choose the necessary cluster associated with this API key. Assign a name to your API key for easy identification. Click on the Create button to generate the API key. Once created, make sure to copy the API key in secret displayed. Store these credentials securely, as you won't be able to view the secret again. Next, open your preferred code editor or terminal. Install the Confluent Kafka client library if you haven't done so already. Use the following command, pip install Confluent Kafka for Python. Import the required libraries in your code. Set up the configuration for the Kafka producer or consumer. Add the API key in secret in the configuration. Ensure you include the Bootstrap server and other necessary settings. Now, initiate the Kafka producer or consumer with the provided configuration. Run your application to confirm successful authentication. Check for any error messages in case of authentication failure. If successful, you are now connected to Confluent Cloud. You can start sending or receiving messages as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.